Hi, my name is Bev Morgan. I'm a Hanover artist and teacher, and I'm also a teacher at Southampton Art School. I have an upcoming class, a scratch art class, and we'll be doing this blue jay. Scratch art is a unique illustrative technique which uses knives and tools to engrave into a layer of white clay, which has been coated with a black Indian ink. The design of the blue jay is transferred into the black ink surface, scratching off areas of light and leaving behind the dark areas will provide the desired effect of creating this beautiful piece of art. I added some watercolors to this blue jay in certain areas. So Scratch Art workshop is going to be held on Thursday, May 31st, and I'm an off-site workshop here in Hanover. I have currently on my table right now a project which is a scratch art, and it's a saxophone. So just to kind of very quickly explain to you the process is that I transferred this image of the saxophone onto this Indian ink coated board, and I'm just slowly scratching off some of the highlights. So that's what you're going to learn that day. So I hope you register for this course.